Even though we are far away from our homeland, our love for our food and culture remains strong. In Sri Lanka, herbal porridge known as Kola Kanda holds a special place. Traditionally made with blend of herbal leaves like Gotu, mukunuwenna, Hathawariya, penela, and musu. Herbal porridge, popular for its health benefits and unique flavor profile. As I cannot find those herbal leaves where I live in Canada, so today I made Kola Kanda with kale. Knowing the health benefits of kale, I thought this could be a good choice to give it a try. Believe me, it's very good. You must try it if you have never tried it before. Herbal porridge is full of nutrition and full of flavors. It has various health benefits including boosting immunity, improving digestion, detoxifying the body, aids in prevention of constipations and inflammation. Usually in Sri Lanka, we add cooked rice to herbal porridge. However, I am adding oats to my herbal porridge today because it gives a unique taste when oats meet with herbal porridge. Thank you for spending your time with me. I wish you good health. I'll see you next time.